Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is India Sinta, and I'm from ProSci. Here, I would like to share my argument.
Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Elizabeth Manurum. I'm from Contrasite. Here, I would like to share my argument. The title is This House Will Permit Communities to Establish Residential Colonies to the Exclusion of Other Communities.
By building your own home, you'll be able to personalize the detail of your home as you build your home from the ground up, from the layout, cabinets, floors to sinks, lighting, paint color, and doorknob. In fact, tract homes built within neighborhood neighborhoods allow for some customization in color choices, flooring choices, and curtain finishes. Of course, new new home new homes are built to meet current building regulation are often more energy efficient and may incorporate the latest technology.
A colony is a place controlled by another country. Communities are individuals or people who have similar characteristics such as similarities in geographic, culture, race, religion, or equivalent socioeconomic conditions according to the National Association of Realtors or NAR. Basically, there is an obligation for people who want to build a house to ask their neighbor for permission. In practice, in some areas, a person who wants to build his house feels the need to tell the neighbors who live next door to this house. This is a custom of manners that prevails in some Indonesian society. This this can be understood because the construction of the house will cause rowdy sounds, dirty surroundings, or due to building materials or other things, and does not rule out the possibility damaging the property of the neighbor's house.
No, I don't agree with you. Basically, there is no obligation for people who want to build a house to ask permission from their neighbors. However, in practice, in some areas, someone who wants to build a house feels the need to inform the neighbors who live next to their house. This might have been a habit or manners that apply in some Indonesian people. This is understandable because the construction of a house will cause noise, dirty the surrounding area, or other thing, and in those not rule out the possibility of damaging the para- parapet of a neighbor's house.
I didn't agree with you because during the implementation of construction, of course, it can be avoid the rowdy and dirty sounds of the surrounding area. For this reason, it is very important to have an attitude of mutual tolerance and understanding in society because everyone could be building a house or including you at some point. For example, Especially in rural areas, there must be permission for neighbors to build houses because the neighbors already understand the situation that will occur if the neighbors build a house. And even I've heard of criminal cases because of neighbors who reported each other for building houses without asking each other permission. So, I think the neighbors permit is very important. One of the most important things is the permission to the neighbors and the social sense of both parties. The founder of the building must also look at the situation and conditions around. Although our permission must take care of the environment and its cleanliness as well as the neighbors, who must understand in erecting the building, it is certain that there is a because first conformity between the implementation of the construction of buildings and approved technical plan documents. Second, occupational safety and health or K3. Third, environmental cleanliness and order. And fourth, the impact of development implementation of the environment.
No, I don't agree with you because when crying on construction, of course, the noise and dirtiness of the surrounding area cannot be avoided. For this reason, it is very important to have mutual tolerance and understanding in society because everyone could one day build a house as long as the person building the house has an EMB and carries out the development activities in accordance with the requirements stated in the EMB, then legally the construction does not violate the law. In building a house, you don't need permission from neighbors because building a house only requires an EMB if you already have an EMB. Then every community can build or renovate their building. Building construction permit or EMB is a license issued.
Everyone who wants to build a building must ask permission from each of his neighbors because in erecting a building there are many building tools and commotion that will occur, and it can make the neighbors feel uncomfortable and even morally harmed, especially if as ethical people and good neighbors and get along well. We should ask our neighbors for permission to understand it during the construction work period. Just imagine, the building work is carried out in at least 5 until 7 months and the schedule if you are in that position. Here the commission all the time. The dirty environment coupled with weekends and holidays is still done the construction work. That's especially who the building founder should be. The founder of the building must ask for permission as a good neighbor and have good etiquette as well. It can also cause legal problem. If it is very disturbing and has been reprimanded but is still being done, then as a man.
No, I don't agree with you because regional government to building owner to build, change, expand, reduce and sorry and maintain building in accordance with applicable administrative and technical requirements. This definition is stated in the regulation of the Minister of Public Work on Public Work and Public Housing, number 5 PRTM. So that land and building owner must comply with it. If not compliant with, the building owner has the potential to be penalized. Sanction can range from administrative sanction to cash finish.
Building permits are indeed very important. In addition to obtaining permits from other communities and being proof that building we built has obtained a government permit, this latter is also useful as proof of legal ownership after getting a neighbor's permission. Then get permission from the government. This rule has even been patented in the applicable laws in Indonesia. For example, in Article 7, paragraphs 1 and 2 of Law number 28 per 2020 on buildings, it is explained that in erecting buildings we must have land rights, building ownership status. In addition, in Article 30, paragraph 2, letter B of the UUBG, it is also emphasized that the availability of erecting buildings in the process of building house is mandatory by law. This is a must for residential owners.
Instruction? No. Actually, there is no specific law regarding disputes between neighbors, and there is no obligation for people who want to renovate their house to ask their neighbor for permission. As long as the person renovating the house already has an EMB and carries out renovation activities according to what is stated in the EMB, then legally the renovation does not violate the law. Every human being who has an EMB letter is allowed to carry out any development. There is no obligation for people who want to build a house to ask permission from neighbors, because everyone can want to build their house, including you, without asking for permission. As a neighbor, you should have a sense of understanding, not make it difficult for the neighbor's house to be built, but you must support and help the neighbor's house to be completed quickly.
No, I didn't agree with you. Regulations that often houses without a building permit are again stated in PB number 36 of 2006 concerning implementing regulations of law and P 28 of 2002 concerning buildings. In Article 14, paragraphs 1 and 2 of the government regulation, it is even stated that everyone who wants to erect a building must have a building permit granted by the local government or PEMDA through the permit application process. The permit application process cannot be done carelessly. In Article 15, paragraph 1, PP 36, 2006 explain there are several conditions that must be met during the process of applying for a building permit, namely technical plan of the building, proof of owner's status of land rights, of proof of land use agreement, and the result of the analysis of the environmental impact or AMDAL for buildings, which have an important impact on the surrounding environment. Those were some things you need to know about applying for a building permit.
By saying my point of view, we strictly go to so in my opinion, the neighbor's permit is not important. The main thing is only the EMB in building a house. One of the most important things is not permission from neighbors, but social feelings from both parties. The founder of the building must also look at the situation and condition around him. Even if there is no permit, we must maintain the environment and cleanliness, as well as neighbors who must understand that in constructing and building, the sounds of building material tools are curtained to be heard.
The point of view, we still absolutely believe that there are four absolute conditions that must be met when building a house: strength, stability, comfort, and durability. If one element is not met, then sooner or later the occupants will feel the risk from mild to fatal. Of course, this is not what we want. Therefore, everyone should not just build a house. Thank you.
Thank you.